Birds are integral members of our ecosystem, and as such, we should do our very best to help them in any way that we can. Here to tell us one simple way how is my dear Aunt Carol.
My green tip of the day is that anybody who does any kind of sewing or embroidery, you need to save your little pieces of thread and buy a soot holder for birds and put your threads in the soot holder so that the birds can come and use the pieces of thread for their nest.
Thank you for that, Aunt Carol. So remember to help your birds out by putting out thread and yarn for them to help build their homes. I'm Jason Winningham.
I'm Carol Bell.
And this has been your
Green Tip of the Week.